Hi, we're going to do wall angels today. This is a very good exercise if you're used to working with computers throughout the day or if you have rounded shoulders or a stooped posture. Lean back against the wall. Keep your feet a few inches away from the wall. Tuck your hips in. Press your shoulders back and your lower back against the wall so that from the head to the low back, everything is pressing against the wall. Lift your elbow up to the shoulder height. Press your hands behind. Now your wrist and the elbow both are touching the wall. Slowly slide it up. Make sure that your wrist and elbow are touching. And then slide down. Again, slide it up. And bring it back.